Hi dear seller, making a video just to show you the problem. These two are two LEDs I bought from you couple of months ago, working just fine. Let me take one of them out. Okay, and now this is the package I bought from you. Let me take just a random one. You can see, I don't know, let's pick this for example. Okay, I'll connect it now. Okay, okay, this is connected. Now let's light them up and wait about 1 minute, and you will see smoke start come out of the new one, not like the other. Here it starts smoking. Oh my god, it just fell off. Start smoking, it just fell off. Oh fuck. I just get burned. So as you can see, this is just was random, one of them. All of the pieces like this get overheated, started to smoke, even you see, even just disconnect by themselves. Really dangerous. I even burned my hand now. Okay, thank you.